Today we're going to talk about how to back up your XML file. You would want to do this if your computer's doing weird stuff, whether it's not referencing right, not firing right, not cutting right. There's a whole list of reasons why you would want to back up your XML. So what you want to do is go to this PC or my computer or computer shortcut on your desktop. When you open that up, down here you'll have either a Windows C, a local disk C, and you'll want to open that up. From there, you'll want to go to the Mach 3 folder. You'll want to go to the XML backups folder. Once you go into the XML backups folder, you'll have a list of all the different files. Basically, it'll be your profile name. You'll see a bunch of files for your profile, whether you have a Trooper, a Spitfire, a Scout, or if the name is under your company name, you'll see a bunch of those names right here for your backups. What you'll want to do is find one that's time stamped from a date and time when the machine was working correctly. So we're on a Trooper, so I'm going to go to these Trooper ones and say I want to pull this one out from February 19th, 2019. I'll grab that and drag it to my desktop background. And you can exit out of that window from there. Then you'll have your file over here, and what you'll want to do with it then is right click on it and go to rename, and then you'll want to click on the very right of it so nothing's highlighted, and then you're going to backspace to the period. From there you're going to type in XML, then you'll click off of it. Yes, we want to save the changes. You'll know you did it correctly if you get a page with, it looks like a globe on it with the arrow on each side. That's how you know you did it correctly. From there you'll want to right click on it, go to copy, then you'll want to go back to this PC, my computer shortcut on your desktop. Then we'll go back to the Windows C, local disk C, and then we're going to right click on the Mach 3 folder and we're going to hit paste. It's going to ask us if we want to copy and replace and override. You're just going to hit continue, and that's how you back up your XML.